Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. Our number is 352-694-1234, and we're at 2261 Southwest College Road. Taking just a moment here to show you a recent arrival. It's about to go into service, but when they pulled it up front, I thought I'd give you a quick peek. This is a Mazda 3 automatic. Was just in it, had nice cold air, a nice bright gold paint job on it, alloy wheels. If your search is for a car under 10,000, I think this one's listed at $89.95. Let me recommend this one. And if you've got cash, great. If you've got bank financing or credit union financing, we can help you there. And we've even got Chris credit, to where if you've got new or rebuilding credit, that with $1,800 down and $85 a week, we can let you make payments here to the dealership. This is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales, giving you a little 2-minute walk around. Recent arrival, Mazda 3, under 100,000 miles, cold air conditioning automatic. I haven't looked, but I suspect this thing sips gas and would make someone a nice first car or an affordable ride for mom or dad or somebody getting back and forth to work. This is Chris. We're at 694-1234. This is Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. Look forward to meeting you at the store. Thanks and have a great day.